In a historic turning point for India's democracy and women's empowerment, the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha passed the Nari Shakti Vandan Bill. It is a monumental step towards transforming India's political landscape and holds the promise to reshape the nation's future. Join us as we explore the key features, the need, and the impact of this groundbreaking bill. This bill, also known as the Constitutional 128th Amendment Bill 2023, has been approved with overwhelming support and seeks to address the underrepresentation of women in our legislatures. Political empowerment of women is rightly perceived as a powerful and indispensable tool for eliminating gender inequality and discrimination. In this regard, reservation for women in panchayats and municipalities was provided through the 73rd and 74th Amendment Acts in 1992. The next logical step in this direction was providing women with higher representation in the parliament and state legislatures. Subsequently, the Constitution 81st Amendment Bill in 1996 was introduced in the parliament seeking to reserve not less than 1/3 of seats in Lok Sabha and in the state legislative assemblies for women. Further, more attempts were made to provide such reservations, once in 1998 and then in 1999 through 84th and 85th Amendment Bills. The last such attempt was in 2008 when the government introduced the bill in Rajya Sabha and got it passed in 2010. However, due to a lack of consensus and later the dissolution of Lok Sabha, the bills lapsed in all those instances. So why is this bill necessary? Currently, women make up less than 15% of parliament and only about 8% of state assemblies. In some states like Mizoram, there are no women legislators at all. The Nari Shakti Vandan Bill aims to empower women and put them at the forefront of our nation's development. Now let's explore the key features of this bill. The bill provides 1/3 reservation for women in the Lok Sabha, state assemblies, and the Assembly of the National Capital Territory of Delhi. Importantly, this reservation will be horizontal, cutting across both unreserved and reserved seats for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. The amendments will come into effect after the delimitation exercise is undertaken following the first census conducted after the commencement of this amendment. As of now, the last census due in 2021 is yet to be completed. The law will be in force for 15 years and the timeline can be extended by the Parliament. The seats reserved for women will be rotated after every delimitation exercise. Now let's understand how the amendment process works. The bill needs to be passed by both houses of the Parliament, requiring a majority of the total membership and a 2/3 majority of members present and voting. Additionally, it would also require ratification by at least half of the state assemblies through a simple majority vote. This bill is just one step in the government's broader mission for women's empowerment. Initiatives like Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana, Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, to name a few, are already making waves, lighting the path for a brighter, more equal future. These measures by the government have led to more girls in school, better maternal health, increased financial inclusion, thriving women entrepreneurs, and a stronger voice against gender-based violence. As we stand on the brink of change, the Nari Shakti Vandan Bill reminds us that progress knows no boundaries. It's a testament to the unstoppable Nari Shakti, the power of women. With 1/3 reservation, we are not just balancing the political scale. We are forging a future where women's voices resonate in every corner of our democracy. Stay tuned because this journey has only just begun. A journey towards a stronger, more inclusive India. Nari Shakti Vandan Bill, empowering women in politics. Together, we rise.